Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a colorful word you might have heard in art or science, kaleidoscope. It might seem a bit long, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is kaleidoscope. Let's break it down. First, we have ku, which sounds like the Q in cup. Next is lie, which rhymes with I. Then comes duh, a soft and relaxed sound like the A in sofa. After that we have scope, which sounds like scope, as in the end of the word telescope. Now, let's put it all together. Kaleidoscope. Try repeating after me. Kaleidoscope. Now a little faster. Kaleidoscope. And at full speed. Kaleidoscope. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. A kaleidoscope is a tube-shaped toy that contains mirrors and colored pieces, creating beautiful shifting patterns when you look through it. It can also refer to any situation that changes in a colorful and complex way, like a kaleidoscope of emotions. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce kaleidoscope and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.